Welcome to iPhone News In. So today we thought we'd take a look at a MicroSIM adapter. So these are available on Trade Me, and as you can see here, it's simply a piece of plastic cut to the same size as a normal SIM card, and then as you can see there with just little cuts cut out so that it fits the MicroSIM. So to give you a guide, so there's your normal SIM, and here's a MicroSIM or telecom cut down version of that. Here's the MicroSIM holder, and here is your standard SIM holder. So as you can see, normally what you would do is you'd normally place your normal SIM card into there and then put that into your phone. Instead of that, what you do is you place your MicroSIM adapter into there instead, and then you would place that in the phone, obviously once you've got your MicroSIM installed. So now what I have noticed is that this is needs to be a tight fit here. So with the original AT&T MicroSIM that we have, it pretty much clicks into place. It's quite a tight fit. You heard that, you may have heard that click there. As I say, it's a very tight sort of fit, and it's not easily coming out. You know, it's not just going to fall out. I have a MicroSIM here, which is an old one, which although it fits the iPad, doesn't fit into this very well, and as you can see, it literally just sort of falls out. It's if I can just get it into there, and you know, it's not quite the right sort of fit. So what we have to do, you have to make sure you've got a pretty much perfect cut MicroSIM. Obviously once the official MicroSIMs come out from Telecom and Vodafone, then it won't be an issue with the sizing, and then you can just slide that into place, and as you did with the original one, you just have to make sure you sort of click it into place like so. Okay. Then once you've done that, you can then pop that into your SIM holder for, say, your iPhone. Obviously once the iPhone 4 comes out, then these won't be needed as much if you have an iPhone 4 and an iPad, because you can just use the same SIM card. Really you should be having two SIM cards anyway, just to make life easier, but if you want it all on the one account, then this is your option. And then if we switch it on there, slide to unlock that, like that, and you can see there in the top, you might be able to see it says no SIM. So we take our MicroSIM and adapter, and we just make sure the SIM card's in there, and we just slide that into place like so. And then as you can see there, I've actually got no service on there, but there we go, Telecom's just come live. So there you go, there's the MicroSIM being inserted now. I did notice when trying to take this out before that it did get a little bit stuck, so you do have to be a bit careful when trying to take it out, and you need to just, you can see here, this is sort of stuck there. Okay, so you just need to just sort of wiggle it a bit, and then eventually that will actually come out. It's a bit difficult to do when you're holding the camera, but that comes out there just like so. So as I say, it's not the easiest thing to get out, and it sort of makes you a bit nervous about putting it into the phone, worried that it's going to get stuck. But as long as it's a nice tight fit for the SIM card, and which obviously once it's the AT&T one it will be, and this is a pretty good tight fit as well. I don't know that it would be as much of a problem, but it's still, you know, one of those things that you need to be aware. If you put this into your device and it does get stuck, and you can't get it out, then you're not going to be covered by any kind of warranties or anything like that. So do be aware of that. So that's your MicroSIM to normal SIM adapter, available on trade me for approximately $20, and we'll put a link up to a site where you can go and purchase these.